He's just pacing. He's pacing. I know. Hi, friend. Hello. He's just pacing. Look at this. That one's trying to clean himself. Well, bye. No what?
Look at this one.
Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no.
What was that for?
I don't know. One of them got angry.
Hello.
Did you see that?
He's stretching.
I
Don't you stretch when you wake up?
know, I said.
They all woke up at once though.
I didn't walk
It's like they're about to attack.
Must be feeding time.
Golly. How angry at each
It's all
other.
her fault. She woke him up.
It's already woke up.
What is? Where?
You ready?
Hmm.
Look, they're shaking a leg.
That one's doing it too.
Pigeon's gonna be down.
There's a little black thing back there.
Right here. It's like a chicken.
He's like, where's the food? Give me my food.
Pigeons. They don't look like pigeons though. They look like chickens. They act like chickens.
They look like a mix between a peacock and a pigeon. Like colorful. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You want me to get pictures of some of this?
Can if you want. Didn't we see one of those earlier?
Looks like it's nesting on eggs, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Peruvian pygmy.
Peruvian pygmy, and there's a green or a
Didn't we see a pygmy earlier?
Saw one earlier.
I don't
Yeah,
think it was
they had
Peruvian, though.
twice.
It was a different type of pygmy.
There's a hard car somewhere up in
A what? Oh, there he is.
yeah, up there.
It's like
Big Bill.
It's like a small toucan.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Come here.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
I see him. One time, Allison.
He got a little pear on his head. It looks like alfalfa.
You're probably smart too. There's a toucan on the wall.
I see him. He's all the way up here. Hey, little friend. My name is Alfalfa. Her name is Alfalfa. See? Why? Look at him.
What is this?
Delicate
Looks like a
crested
daggone
king.
pheasant.
It does look like
See how big the body is and how small the head is?
Mm-hmm. It does look like a pheasant.
Good eating.
No, don't eat him. He has a name. His name is
It
Alfalfa.
does. It's called lunch.
No, his name is Alfalfa.
Okay, whatever you want to call it.
I'm calling him Alfalfa. Because he has the little hair like alfalfa. The little
Two of them.
rascals.
Three of them there. That looks like a roadrunner.
It does. Mustard.
Okay, mommy went to go to place.
Yeah. Are they fighting each other?
Look at the bill.
Two of them are fighting each other. That's why they're making so much noise. What else is in here?
Is that a little thick meat down there?
It looks like one.
So,
It looks like that Tinamou with that little thing on its head. Golly, making noises.
they don't hold still.
Yeah. Good luck trying to get a picture of that. Cause you ain't gonna get one.
You guys stink.
Yeah, they stink really bad in here.
You guys smell. You need a bath.
I do have a bath. Those ones are getting a bath. That one is. That one's cleaning himself right there.
Go for it. Clean your water too.
He's like, I can't do that. Yeah, it's another thickney. You hear me, Dad?
Yeah.
Who's that one? Oh, it's pygmy goose. Those are pygmy
There's
goose.
this little one.
That's why they're little. Aww.
There's this little one.
That's the ones that are fighting the mouse birds. And you have the thickney.
Okay, you ready to go?
Where's the little one?
Right there.
Aww.
We're gonna go out.
Oh,
There's
little.
a spectacle owl out here. Oh my.
He looks so cool. He's so
These are
big.
nocturnal. Okay. Birds of prey can eat animals as large as possums and skunks. That's bigger than Buddy.
Yeah. That's not. Look at the baby on here.
There's a baby.
No, on the picture.
That one wants his picture made.
Yep. He literally stopped right as you said that. He's like, do it. Do it now. What is this one? Lapwing? Mass lapwing.
Mass lapwing. Yeah, you
Where's
probably
the-
didn't see him. There's a tawny frog now.
I don't see that one.
Yeah, you do. Look right there.
Where? Whoa! Dang, he's big.
There's two of them too. What?
He blends in. Yeah. It's a secretary bird. It's got long legs to run everywhere.
Huh?
It's got long legs to run places like a secretary. Like run errands.
Yeah.
Did you get my joke? What?
Makes sense.
It's so pretty. It's a really pretty bird. Look! It just picks up a leaf. Yeah, that's. Oh, it is. Look at his tail. Look at his head. He's like, white.
Shut up, you hear him? You hear him?
Yeah.
Damn you.
He's like, you ain't taking my picture. Nope. He's fussing at you. So pretty.
Yeah.
I love his tail. That long tail.
There's a plush crescent jay in here too.
A plushie?
Trying to see if I see it. Could be up at the top because usually they put two in there.
Listen to him.
One likes the bottom.
Listen to him. No, he's not gonna do it. Come on.
You put your finger up there, he'll take it. I can tell you that.
Oh, I ain't doing that. I ain't that
Neither
stupid.
am I.
Look at that beat. Take my finger off. Give me. I think it would hurt. The bee in there. That's what he's fussing at. Do you hear me?
What?
There's a bee over there. He's fussing at it.
You can probably catch it.
If he wouldn't fall.
Clumsy.
Clumsy little thing. He's like, I meant to do that. That was totally intentional.
Damn! I tried to take his picture and he moved so fast I missed him.
Look at him. He was trying to eat the rope. Go, no, go, go. Get him with his head turned. He had his little feathers up. Now he's hiding from me. There he is.
No, he's not. He's posing.
He's like, take my picture. Take my
Alright,
picture.
let's see what else we got here. Indian blue quails.
Crazy.
Daddy's a danger too.
Probably.
Something that small's easy prey.
People eat quail, don't they?
Newly hatched chicks are the size of bumblebees and they're usually brown in color.
The size of a bumblebee?
Yep.
Dang, that's tiny. Look at him. That one's pretty.
I got that one. Another one
What
back
else is
there.
in there?
Same bird.
Fruit bell. Where's the emerald one?
Hold on, I'm looking.
Need to find that one. That one's my birthstone. Good luck trying to find that one though, because it's green. It'd be impossible to find that thing.
Got such
He's up there. He's right there. They don't like you taking a picture. There's something else back there. Oh, there he is. He does not like his picture. Yeah. You don't want to mess with this
Look
one.
at the hell on it.
It's so pretty though.
How the hell they catch it?
It's so dangerous, but it's so pretty.
It's got giblets like a turkey.
Look at how perfect it's black. The black part of its fur is though. It's like perfectly straight. It looks like it's been brushed out, you know?
Yeah, I know.
It's weird. It's searching for something.
Probably some sort of insect.
It looks like what was the little dino on Land Before Time? The little one that had the little thing on his head? That's what it reminds me
keep
of.
your head up.
Hmm?
Trying to get a picture of it.
Oh, I missed it. Did you
got
get it? I wasn't fast enough.
Did I get it?
It's so pretty. Look at it. All different colors. Look at the colors of coral on it.
Look at the claws.
Goodness gracious.
You see those claws on that daggum thing? That's how
Yeah, that's
raptors.
how dangerous it is. That's why it's dangerous. Those things. That and its beak. And that thing on its head. That horn.
Yeah.
Like knock you unconscious, that thing. He's looking dead at you. He's trying to get out. He's trying to find a way to get you. Did you see that?
Yeah.
He stuck his beak to the
Yeah, right now I'd kill it. I wouldn't play with it.
It's pretty though.
It is pretty.
I wonder what a baby one looks like.
I don't know. It's something you can look up when we get home.
What is it? Cassowary?
Cassowary. Here, I'll take a picture of it.
It's so pretty.
It's pretty, but it's dangerous, okay?
Well, yeah, I know that.
And look at its feet. That's what makes it dangerous.
The thing is, it fools you with the pretty colors to distract you,
Of course.
and then it'll just attack you. Hello.
Beak is like an
It
ostrich.
hears it.
I bet he would do some damage with
Yeah,
that.
it looks like it. It looks like it has the beak of an emu. An ostrich. God,
You're right.
don't look at me like that. Did you see that? He looked me dead in the eyes. That was terrifying. Great looking thing. He's like, will you leave me alone? I'm trying to get food. He's trying to find something. You keep bugging him.